Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send view once voice note or voice message on Telegram for Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer and first of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application. Okay, and for instance, I'm going to send voice note or voice message to this friend. So I'm gonna click on the room chat with this friend, and to send the voice note we can click on this microphone icon and you're going to tap and hold on your mouse or touchpad to send the voice note like this. Okay, and then I'm going to stop it. And if you want to send the view once voice note or voice message, you can click on this one icon like this, and then your voice note will be set to view once voice note, and the recipient will be able to listen to this voice note only once. And then once you're ready to send it, you can click on the send button like this, and the voice note has been sent to this account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to send view once voice message or voice note on Telegram for desktop. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.